Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your public key in TokenPocket account. To find your public key in TokenPocket is simple. First of all, launch open the TokenPocket app on your device and make sure you are inside one of your wallets. Once you're in, go ahead and select your wallet and from the Assets page, tap the three dot right next to your wallet. Now from the wallet details page, click on Advanced Mode. Now select Public Key and you'll be able to reveal your public key QR code on the screen. Click on Copy Key to copy your public key. Now once you copy your public key on your device's clipboard, you can go ahead and paste it in a secure location. Make sure you never share your public key with anyone for your wallet security. Once you do that, you will be able to find and save your public key on TokenPocket. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.